So this is why I do not do Black Friday or winter sales on any level or any sales at any level at all as an entrepreneur. My name is Tiffany G. I'm a freelance copywriter, marketing consultant, keynote speaker, founder of Black Educators Amplified, co-founder of Journey with Us, this media company that you're listening to right now. And I've been an entrepreneur for 8 going on 9 years, and I've lived in Africa for 4 out of 9 of those years. Okay. And so I'm going to tell you in this video why I do not do sales. I never do sales in my business. My clients do not do sales typically either, unless it's an e-commerce brand. Now, for e-commerce, if you have like some kind of body cream, some kind of restaurant, some type of product based business that's based on a physical product, then that's fine. Sales do a great job. They bring in that extra revenue because you're appealing to an emotional buyer that is triggered by certain emotions. Like when you say, hey, 20% off, they're like, yes, great. Or a low level course, you can do sales on low level courses. Okay. So like 20 to 30% off, that's fine. But when you have a high ticket consulting offer, whether you are someone that's in healthcare, you're in finance, you're in tax relief, like some of our clients, you are in these high ticket, top tier industries, selling an offer that's $1,000 to $10,000, you do not want to do a sale. Our clients in our agency who stay long term over 12 months do not run sales, because a sale tells people, if you, so let's put it like this, if you have a $2,500 offer and you are running a sale on it and you're taking off $500, a high ticket buyer is automatically going to think, okay, so it must not be worth it, right? So why would I even buy this offer if you're just taking $500? It must not be worth it if you have to take that much money off of it. And so that's why inside of our creative agency, when our clients work with us, they spend $56,000 per year, $25,000 per year, $12,000 per year on their marketing initiatives. They do not come in and say, oh, I want a sale. And if a client does come in and say that, then we know they're not the right client for us, and they may not be that serious about their marketing at this current time, because the clients who do well, who are in finance, business advisory, that are creating group coaching consulting programs, they will price their offer. And then once they see that it's exploding and people are buying in, they then raise that price. For example, we have a client in the agency. We just spoke literally last week. We've been working together for over a year now. We just reached our year anniversary in our client relationship. She's gotten website content, she's gotten SMS campaigns, email campaigns, blogs, all types of content marketing strategies from our bespoke consulting management agency. And she was like, yeah, so much has changed. We've had this 808% increase, and I've actually raised the rates even more. So when we first started working together, her clients would pay about $2,500, but now they pay about $5,000 to $10,000 for this sophisticated problem that she solves. So she increased her LTV. LTV is the lifetime value of a customer, because she's serving people in the minimum viable market. This is where we have people in Black Educators Amplified that are like, so do I have to become an influencer? Is this like lifestyle blogging? And we always tell them, no, that is not your goal. Your goal is not to amass all of these different views and all of these different vanity metrics. Your goal is to serve the minimum viable market, the smallest group in the market. Like, I'm talking teeny tiny, the 10 clients you need to make 10,000, 20,000, $30,000 a month. Because what's easier? Is it easier to have 100 clients that are signing up at $500? Or is it easier to have 10 clients or even 5 clients that book your offers that are $5,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $2,000 a month? You do the math. You tell me what's easier, what seems easier for you. And so this is why we do not do Black Friday sales. I actually never do sales in our agency. We don't do sales in Black Educators Amplified. We do not do any type of holiday campaigns or anything like that, because that is reserved for e-commerce. It's not really reserved for a high ticket incubator. It's also not reserved for even like law firms. We've had law firms come into the agency and need campaigns to nurture their audience, who actually want to deal with their personal injuries or deal with their business advisory, whatever type of lawyer it is. And so even those lawyers, they're typically not going to discount their services much, because that discount automatically tells people, oh, this is cheap 99, and you don't want to be seen as cheap 99. Instead, you want to be seen as this high ticket, elevated, like not openly in the market that not everyone has access to. You are your own bespoke brand, okay? And if this conversation is of any interest to you, I invite you to book a free strategy session to attend our Black Educators Amplified Cohort 5 that starts January 19th of 2025. The doors are officially open. You can actually schedule the session for 30 minutes to see if this program is the right fit for you. It's not the right fit for everybody, but it may be the right fit for you if you're listening to this video and you're like, wow, that makes sense. I'm ready to elevate in 2025 and beyond. So talk soon.